The U.S. Supreme Court has just delivered a massive victory for religious liberty and a total gut punch to the far left state of New York. And the ruling was unanimous. I'm Kyle Becker, and welcome to Explain America. Please be sure to like, comment, and share this video. We would really appreciate you getting the word out on common sense journalism, and especially if you care about protecting faith in the face of government overreach. Here's just what happened. In a 9-0 ruling, the Supreme Court ordered New York's highest court to go back and reconsider its decision to force religious employers to provide abortion coverage in their health insurance plans. Now, that means the Supreme Court didn't just take the case seriously, they sent a very loud message. Religious liberty matters. The First Amendment matters. And this all stems from a years-long legal fight involving the Catholic and Anglican ministries. They are faith-based groups who serve the poor, feed the hungry, house the homeless, and yet New York tried to punish them because they don't want to fund abortions. Under New York's 2017 mandate, only religious groups that mostly hire and serve people of the same faith were given exemptions. That means if you feed the hungry without checking their religion at the door, too bad. You lose your rights. Religious liberty attorney Lori Windham said it best, quote, "Not even Jesus, Mother Teresa, or Mahatma Gandhi would qualify for New York's stingy definition of religious freedom," unquote. The Supreme Court's order specifically tells New York courts to apply what's called strict scrutiny. That means the government has to prove it has a compelling reason to force a mandate, and that there's no better way to do it without violating religious freedom. This is not the first time SCOTUS has stepped in for religious reasons in the state of New York. In 2021, they asked New York to reconsider the law after the Fulton v. Philadelphia decision, which said governments can't burden religious practice without a very good reason. New York refused. So now the Supreme Court is forcing the issue. This ruling follows a growing trend. From the Little Sisters of the Poor to Catholic charities, the Supreme Court is making it very clear. The Constitution protects your freedom of conscience. You don't lose your religious rights just because you run a soup kitchen or a school. If New York doesn't get the message, the court might take up the case, and again, and this time, they could issue a broader ruling that sets precedent across the entire country. For now, this is a massive win for conservatives, for the Constitution, for every American who believes that faith should never be punished. This is Kyle Becker with Explain America. Please weigh in with what you think about this story. We really appreciate your feedback.